All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to read a file line by line into a Python list. And you're going to use open and rstrip to get rid of the new lines. So right here, we're doing a with open, and I've got a lorem ipsum file with a bunch of, gobbledygook in it as file, and then we're going to use list comprehension here to strip out the new line characters, and we're going to use rstrip to get rid of the new lines that end each line. For line and file if line rstrip new line. And what that does is if there's a blank line in between, it removes it. It checks to see if it's empty after you strip out the new line. And if so, it skips it. Otherwise, it puts it in here. And you see in our list, we have just the text with no new lines and no empty lines. So that's it. Very short, sweet. Open and then rstrip as you iterate over for line in file after opening it. Hope you learned something. Subscribe if you haven't. Smash that like button so I can help more people, and I'll see you in the next video.